Hello friends, today I'm here with some new topic in Excel. Today we are going to learn about paste special options. So how to use this paste special options. So for that, see here already I have some data and in this data I want to add 10. So for that just you need to select and say Control C for copy and select your column and here just right click and click on paste special. When you click on paste special you will get one window here, and here in this window you have the operation. In operation you have multiply, add, divide and subtract. Now I want to add, so just click on add, and here you need to choose values and click on OK. So here you can see 10 is added to this column. Same way if you want to multiply, you have to select, say Control C and then select your column and click right click, say paste special, and then here you need to click on multiply or divide. Say suppose I want to choose divide values and say OK. So here you can see here 10 is all these numbers are divided by 10. So like this you can apply by using paste special. Now, the next space special trick I'm going to show you is column width. You can see the column A, width of column A, and here the width of column C. Now, I want to apply the same column width of A to column C. So, for that, you need to select it and say Control C. And now you have to select the column, the destination column where you want to paste the same column width. And right click on it and say Paste Special. And here you have the option called column width in paste. So just you need to click on column width and say OK. Now you can see here the same column width is applied to this column also. Now here you can see in this column C, there are some blanks. Now I want to copy and paste these values here in this column C. Now how will you copy and paste? If you just select and say Control C, and if you select and say paste, so what will happen? It will be replaced with the new values. So that I don't want. Only this blank cells should be filled with the numbers. So for that what you have to do is right click on it and say paste special, and here in this special window you have to choose the option called skip blanks. Just click on skip blanks and then click on OK values and just say OK. Now you can see here the only blank cells are filled with the numbers. So this is the way you can use skip blanks. Now here I want to apply transpose option in paste special. So for that I will just select this column and then I will say Control C copy, and wherever you want to paste just click on the cell, right click and say paste special, and here you need to click on transpose. So what will happen when you click on transpose? This entire column will be converted as row. Just click on OK. Now you can see here this entire column is converted into the row. Now same way if you want to convert this row into the column. So for that again what you have to do, just select this entire row and say Control C and just click on any one cell, right click, say paste special, and here you need to click on transpose and say OK. So you see here the entire row is again converted into the column. So like this you can use the transpose option in paste special.